Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing my BoxyCharm. I am so excited for this. I've been dying to open this. I got this a while back. Life has just been crazy, you know, holidays are starting, so everything gets a little hectic, but we're gonna get into this now, finally. I am super excited for December. I'm going to Disney World on the 1st until the 7th. I will definitely be vlogging that. Sorry, I just like cut off a layer of my skin on accident. Anyways, but yeah, so I've just been busy getting stuff ready and Christmas shopping, you know, all that good stuff since it's November. But let's get in to this. This box is so hard to open. Hey, eyelashes. I was just saying, I hope I get some new eyelashes when I was putting on my eyelashes. That's hilarious. Alright, so here's the little card. We'll put that here. I think they all came with like these cute little samples for us to try. There's like this one and I think another one. So I'm guessing there's no price to this since it's a sample. But I could be wrong, hopefully not. But anyways, the first thing I see are some super cute lily lashes, which is what I'm wearing right now. So I'm so excited to get some new ones. I've been wearing these since I got these in a box whenever I got them. So these are called CEO. They kind of look like what I'm wearing now. So I'm super excited about that. And these retail for $25. They're so pretty. I love them. The next thing I see are some super cute brushes. And these retail for $35. These are like some heavy duty brushes, like super heavy duty. And they're from BoxyCharm. So I guess BoxyCharm makes brushes now. These are like real thick and nice quality. Like they're so soft and like thick. Like, damn, I like these. And these are their very first brushes they've ever made. Well, they're already super nice. So that's the cute little packaging for this. Next I see from Cypress. This is made exclusively for BoxyCharm. And this retails for $90. Damn. So this is the Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. So that is that. Super pretty and fancy. This is expensive. So you put several drops of like this to clean skin in the morning and night. I like this. Break it. I like this packaging. It's so cute and like sparkly. The next thing I see is from Dose of Colors in Nude Mood. Finally, I get a good color that I can actually wear in these boxes. I always get reds and I'm like, I'm not here for that. I want nudes and like pinky nudes. I don't know. I'm just not. Red's just too much with what I already got going on with hair and stuff. Alright, so that is this. That's what that looks like. We'll swatch this. This is pretty. Yay! I'm so excited for this color. I can wear this and love it. Alright, so this goes for $18. And then last but not least, I've been so excited to get this. The Celestial Thunder palette from Kristen Dominique Cosmetics. This is my first palette from her stuff. I know this one's made special for BoxyCharm because it has like, I think 4 colors less than the regular palette. But that is what this looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. Like, look at those colors. I love these colors. Like this color I will probably use till pan. Hold on, there's a little mess over here. I absolutely love this orange color. That is so beautiful. This color is really pretty. That color. The whole thing's just really pretty. I'm just so excited about this. I can't wait to use this. And this retails for $35. I don't know if you can buy this one like this, but if you can, that's cool. It's like a miniature one of the big one. So yeah, so we got a palette, a pretty lip color, these really cool brushes that are like super heavy, beautiful lashes, and this awesome serum, and then these cute little concealer samples. that's a pretty good box, I think. Alright, let's see how much this box is worth. Calculator.
Alright, so 35 plus 90 plus 18 plus 25 plus 35.
Dang, this is the most expensive regular box I've gotten in a long time. It is $203 value. That's pretty good for a 21, 22, I don't know. With like the weird taxes now, it's like I think $22 or something. But anyways, yeah. So that is everything I got in my box this month. I'm actually really excited for everything I got in this. Usually I'm excited for 80 to 90% of the boxes I get, but there's usually like 1 or 2 things in there that I'm like, yeah, cool, whatever. This one I'm excited for all of them. So excited. And dude, or not dude, guys, my nails are still on. This is going on 5 weeks, like actually past 5 weeks on Wednesday. So that's crazy. These have been on forever. But anyways, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!